date is 31st August and the year is 2021. Today's day is Tuesday, and in our literacy class we'll be continuing our learning of fiction books and non-fiction books. So today specifically we are going to learn few text features of a non-fiction book. Here I have a few non-fiction books. So what are non-fiction books? Non-fiction books means books which talk about facts. Yeah, they give us information. They are based on facts, about true facts. Yeah, they are not imaginary. They are all real, and they give us knowledge and information, more information. So let us have a look at some of the features of a non-fiction book. A non-fiction book, the first thing that you will see there is the title of the book. Yes? On the front page of the book is the title of the book. So what's the title? The title of the book gives you an idea of what the book will be about. Yes? The title will tell you what is there inside the book, what information you can get inside the book. Yes? But it will be a small, just like here the title is The Cat in the Hat. Yes? So you know from the title that book is talking about a cat. Yes? So that's called the title of the book. It is written in big letters. Okay? And the second thing that we have in a non-fiction book are the captions. Yes? The captions are just some brief explanation that is given just beside the picture. Yeah? It gives brief explanation about what it is about. Like just this picture is of a giraffe, and there's this caption over here which is talking about briefly about what some important thing about a giraffe, maybe its height or something, some interesting fact about what it likes to eat. Okay, so that's the caption. And then the third important thing about a non-fiction book is it has the table of contents. Yes? Just as soon as you open the book, there will be table of contents. Yes? So it helps us to see what are the different topics which are there in the book. Yes? Because this book is based on facts, there are many things, many topics that are discussed. Yeah? Much information is given. So the table of contents helps us to identify the important topics in the book. Okay? And very often you will see that there is bold print. Yeah? Something is written in bold print in the content in the caption section or just beside the picture. Yeah? So what is the meaning of the bold print? It is just to take your attention and to mark something, a word that is very important. Yeah, so that an important word is written in bold print. Bold print is a dark print. See? You can see that it is written, something is written over here, but this word, goblin shark, is written in bold print. Okay. And then there is heading. Yeah, because this book has many different topics. Yeah, so every topic has a heading. There's a different chapter. So like here, heading will be about the particular, maybe the book is about animals. Okay, so the heading can be just about monkeys. Yeah, so this chapter will be talking mainly about monkeys. It will be giving information about monkeys. So that's the heading. Okay. And then there is the index. at the back of the book, there's an index. So it gives the list of important topics that are discussed in the book with its page number. Okay, because this book gives lots of information. So maybe you have to just find the word monkey. So you can go to the index, find the word monkey, and there'll be page number written on it. So you can just go to the page to refer about monkeys. So index gives us the page number and the list of important topics that are discussed in the book. Okay, so these are some features about a non-fiction book. Now let us have a look at the book and see these features. I have a non-fiction book. Okay, so this is the cover page of the book. Yeah, the first page, the hard page of the book. So it has a picture about a lion cub. Yes, so we can know from the picture that this book is about animals. Okay, so here is the title of the book. The title of the book is Little Kid's First Big Book of Animals. Okay, so this is the title of the book. Then there's the author of the book. Now who's an author? An author is a person who has written this book. And the author of this book is Catherine D. Hughes. Okay, so this is the author of the book. So we have the title of the book, we have the author of the book, and then when we open the book, something that is very interesting is in a non-fiction book, there is a section called contents. Yes? Now the contents gives me details of the different topics that are discussed in this book. Yeah, so just looking at the contents, I know about which animals can I get information about. This book is about animals. Yeah, so when I open the contents page, I will know which are the animals about whom information I can get in this book. Just like I can get information about some animals who live on grassland, just like cheetah, zebra, giraffe, lion. Okay, so I can just reading the contents, I can know that I can get information about these animals. And I can also know on which page I can get the information about. Okay. So just like if you want, okay, we can go to this page about lion. Okay, so it's page number 20. So we can go for page number 20. Yes. So here, just I saw in the content section what I wanted to know about. I wanted to know about lions. Okay, so I came to the page where I can get information about lions. Okay, so now can you see it's bold letters? This is the heading. The heading is lion. Lions live in prides. Okay, and you can see there's a beautiful picture of the entire lion family together. And here, just next to the picture, you will see something written over here. That's called the caption. The caption gives you a little interesting information about the picture. So the picture is about lions. Yeah, so the caption reads, lions often hunt together in a group. Yeah, so that's the caption. It gives you some interesting information. Yeah, and the words that are written in bold letters, hunt together, they are more dark, more bold. Yeah, it is just to take your attention that these words are important. Okay, so these are captions, and then I have a book here, page here, that's called the index. Yes, you see, there's the index. Now, index gives me a list of important topics that are there in the book and the page number next to them. So it tells me that what are the important topics, what are the names of different animals that have been discussed in the book, and also the page number. Okay, just like we read about lions. See, so this book gives you information about lions on page 20 to 23. Yes, so this is just like, this is at the end of the book. You get a small section called index, which gives you in brief all that is discussed in the book, all the names of different animals that are discussed in the book. Okay, so these are few features of a non-fiction book. These are the features that make it different from the fiction book, because non-fiction books talk about facts and fiction books are imaginary books. They are not real, but these books talk about, gives information which are true, which are fact. Okay, children? Happy learning.